Have you ever stood by the ocean and watched the waves creep closer to your toes only to retreat moments later, as if the sea itself was breathing in and out? That rhythmic rise and fall of the ocean? That's what we call tides, a phenomenon as old as the Earth itself. To understand tides, we need to look up, way up towards the moon. Picture this. The moon's gravity is like an invisible string tugging gently at the oceans. As the Earth rotates, this gravitational pull creates a bulge in the water, drawing it toward the moon. This is what we call high tide. But here's the surprising part. There isn't just one high tide on Earth at a time. There are two. A second bulge forms on the opposite side of the planet, caused by the centrifugal force of Earth's rotation. It's like the water is being pulled in both directions at once, one by the moon and the other as a kind of balance point. Now the sun plays a role too. Its gravitational pull is even stronger than the moon's since it's so much more massive. But because it's so far away, its effects on tides aren't as pronounced. However, when the sun, the Earth, and the moon align during a full or new moon, their combined gravitational forces create especially high tides, called spring tides. And no, this has nothing to do with spring this season. It just means the tides spring up higher than usual. On the flip side, when the sun and moon are at right angles to each other, their gravitational forces partially cancel out, leading to lower high tides, known as neap tides. But tides aren't just about rising and falling water. They're sculptors, shaping coastlines over millennia. They're timekeepers, relied on by marine life like crabs and fish that sync their lives to the tidal rhythm. And they're a source of immense power, providing energy through tidal turbines in certain parts of the world. Of course, tides vary depending on where you are. In some places, the difference between high and low tide can be as little as a foot. In others, like Canada's Bay of Fundy, the tidal range can exceed 50 feet. The complex dance between gravity, Earth's rotation, and ocean basins makes every coastline's tides a little unique. So next time you're at the shore, watching the waves rise and fall, take a moment to marvel at the forces at play. Invisible strings stretching between Earth, moon, and sun, pulling on the vast oceans like a cosmic symphony. Tides are more than just water rising and falling. They're a constant reminder of how deeply connected our planet is to the universe around it.